Hello everyone, my name is Rahul and welcome to my channel Rahul QA Labs. So in today's tutorial, we will be learning how we can create test cases in Testcaselab. So as you all know that test cases are the fundamental unit in software testing, and Testcaselab provides you the option to create the test cases manually, or you can import the test cases from outside as well. So let us see how we can achieve that. Uh, we'll go to our dashboard, that is the Rahul test project. Now see, test cases 0, test plan 0, members 1. So we don't have any test cases as of now here. So we will click on test cases, round circle, and it will take you to the test cases dashboard. So see, you can search the test cases, you can filter the test cases, and this is the case create option, blue button. So just click on this case button. We have to provide the test case title. Suppose I'll take login functionality. Okay, so login functionality has been created. Let us see what all details are available. So suit means cases without suit. We haven't given any suit like association to this test case. Priority is normal. You can change the priority from here. High, low, normal. I'll click on high. We don't have any tags. If you want to attach any tags with this test case, you can attach that as well. Execution, two options are available, manual or automatic option. You can select as per the convenience. Type, functional. So there are other types as well, like what type of test case it is. It is a performance test case, or it is a security test case, it is a UI test case, or it is a functional test case. We don't have any test plans yet that we will see in later tutorials. So this is created by me, and this is the timestamp and date, and again last edited by me. Okay, now coming to next, we have the description. So if we click on it, this is the description what this test case does. So this test case verifies the login functionality. You can give as per your convenience, whatever descriptions you want to give. Now coming to test steps. So here you can add the test steps and you can add the expected results. So suppose I want to add a step login to the web portal. Okay, login is successful. Okay, so this is the step and these are the expected results. You can edit both of them as per your convenience. Okay, now we have some text and steps. So if you want to add a single step, that is what we have done now. Now if you want to add different steps, so this is the step 1, next step, step 2, next step, step 3, step 4. So this is how you can add different steps to a test case. Okay, and if you only have like single liners or one liners test cases, you can go for this option, text, give the step and give the expected result. That's it. For adding the steps, you can choose this option. You can add the different steps as I have shown you. So this is about the details tab. There is a hide button here. If you click on it, you can hide this. If you want to show all these details, you can do that as well. Okay, coming to next option, we have the audit log. So audit log is nothing but the details of what happened to this test case when it was created, what all things was added to that, a kind of history, you can say, history maintained on this particular test case. Okay, coming to next one, we have the executions. So as of now, we haven't executed this test case, and that is why it is showing you that the test case is not included in any test run, or it has no executions yet. That we will see later. Okay, so there are few options present here. So first option, we have the full screen mode. So this is the full screen mode. If you want to like see in a wider mode, that is how you can see, and click on that. You can close this full screen. Coming to next one means you can copy the test case as well. If you want to attach any file or if you want to give any attachments, you can give any of the attachments. Then copy link. You can copy the link of this test case and you can share with any of your team members. And the last one is the remove. So if you want to delete this test case, you can delete this as well. Okay, so this is how we can create and add a test case. I hope you all understand how to add a test case. This is a very basic steps we have. Okay, so if we come on like dashboard, you will see one test case added here. See, test case one in this round circle. We don't have any test runs at the moment. Okay, so this is how we can add a test case. I hope you like the video and you will be able to gain some knowledge in the field of testing. And thank you very much guys for watching my video. If you like the video, do subscribe my channel and keep learning in life. Thank you. Bye bye.